Alright, back here with part 2. This is the magnetized shock, and it has the electrical cable that goes on it right here. And for the leveling kit, these are the shims I was speaking of. It's 1, 2, 3, maybe 4. I'll take them apart. What you see up here, it says suspension max. So these are the shims that they sell you along with the leveling kit. That's 1, 2, that's 3, and this is the top base of the actual strut. So it's 3 shims on each side. 3 shims plus the little block that goes at the bottom of the strut right here. So removing that, we're gonna put this guy right here. Again, it says 1.5 inch brings you 3 inches of lift. But I have a feeling I may be using this because with 3 and 3, usually you still have a rake. 3 in the front, 3 in the rear. So I might put this back on and see what kind of leveling I get. Because if you do 3 front, 3 rear, you're still gonna have a rake. And we're trying to get rid of the rake as well as be able to clear 35s on here, or 34s at least, with no cutting, no trimming. So this is the update right here.